let's have some fun. Let's go out around the lanes and just demo the car in its, I guess in its best habitat is probably going around the country lanes and see what you think. I'm certainly a fan. Some questions I get asked is it worth restoring a classic car? Well, on a day like this, driving around the lanes, yes it is. But then, that's with my rose tinted glasses on. In reality, the brutal honest truth is, no, it's not. Sadly, the cost of restoration normally outweighs the actual value of the car. It depends what you want to do, of course. I mean, if you're in the market to learn how to build a car, and it's a labour of love, then fair enough. A lot depends, of course, whether you're going to do the work yourself. And if you're going to do the work yourself, then obviously you'll save on labour costs. Parts for MGB GTs are reasonable. Of course, I'm only talking from a monetary point of view. Car restoration can be an enjoyable pastime, one you can derive a lot of pleasure from. So there's no accounting for that. Only take on a project that you yourself can handle. Most of us haven't got large workshops with spraying facilities and welding facilities. So it's very important you take on something that you can handle. Bear that in mind if you are looking to restore a car or any classic car like this one. I chose the MGB GT mainly because it's practical, the seats fold flat at the back, and above all, in my opinion, it looks great. This car is different from all the Euro boxes that you see on the road. So if you want to drive around incognito and you want to drive around under the radar, then do not buy one of these cars, because people will stop and ask you about the car and they'll want to talk about it. So it's not a car to be driving around anonymously, because wherever I go, usually people stop and ask me about the car. Frankly, I love it. I've spent many happy hours on car restoration over the years. There's a bumpy bit here. It's smoked up the bumps quite well, actually. It's quite a bumpy road. Only take on a project that you can reasonably handle yourself. The last thing you want to do is have something just languishing in a garage because there's too much to do. Just take on something that you can easily handle. If you get it right and you make the right purchase, you can own a great classic car. The MPG is reasonable, around about 30 miles per gallon. Close to my mum's, so I think I'm going to pop in and have a cup of tea at my mum's.
If you enjoyed watching my videos, please subscribe and stay updated.